Good morning, everybody. This is Adhip Ghosh, 84-year-old senior citizen, presently staying at Bangalore. I had serious problems of irritable bowel syndrome for the last 3 to 4 years. I was constantly taking medicine to get rid of that, but ultimately I found that this is not going, and I was suffering from this for continue to suffer from this. Then, on the advice of the gastroenterologist, I had to undergo a few tests like GI endoscopy, colonoscopy, PET scan, full abdomen scan, etc. number of times, and I was then diagnosed to have a small tumor in my pancreas and colon region. Doctor suggested that it has to be removed through Whipple surgery, which is a complicated one, and we got scared because I am 84 years old. So me and my next of kin decided not to go for Whipple surgery and ask for and think about other alternative things which can give me some relief. At that point, we consulted Wellcure group under Dr. Prashanti, and then on hearing my problem, she immediately told that you stop all the medicine. He asked me to stop all the medicine which I used to take, like my prostate, like my thyroid and cardiac problem. He told that if I modify my lifestyle, change my food habits, food intake, then I should be all right. As per her instruction, I stopped taking cooked foods and went on fruit fast for say about 2 to 3 months. I immediately got result and my IBS symptoms got reduced. Now, after following this with this little bit of modification, even I have started taking cooked food once in alternate day. So, but in spite of that, I am more or less free from IBS. So since I got this relief, I am grateful for achieving this goal through the advice, because of the advice of Dr. Prashanti and my mentor Ashaji, who constantly used to monitor my health issues and suggested me what to do and what not. So because of this, I would also like to recommend all of you to consult and think about naturopathy instead of our conventional allopathy and other mode of treatment. Thank everybody and wish you a sound health and best wishes from my side.